Good morning, guys! Oh! I thought you said you want good morning, guys! Oh, you want your breakfast. Nag-almusal na daw siya, guys. Sabi niya, good morning, mommy, good morning, guys. Akala niya gusto niya ako mag-vlog. Right, Kathleen. Daddy will make you with me?
Mommy!
What do you want?
No school day.
There's no school day, that's right. What's Daddy watching? What's Daddy watching? Basketball. Breakfast.
These flowers are still beautiful, aren't they? I brought them last week.
Do you want breakfast to Holly? Oh, not yet. Not yet.
She can have Jack's.
Yeah, an apple. Nagsuka kasi yan si Harley kagabi, 2 beses. So baka may nakain lang siya, no? Na Riker. That's why puyaters tayo kagabi. We slept in today, guys. So it's already 9:30, no?
We slept in.
Yeah, kasi napuya tayo kay ate. That's okay. Ate's better now. She just must have ate it.
What do you think caused her to vomit? Because that was all the pizza, wasn't it? It hadn't even digested in that time.
Good morning, guys. Kape na tayo. Ngayon, tatry na akong mag-almusal kasi kahapon grabe din yung acid ko. Grabe yung acid at ako as in, hindi ako kumain ng buong araw. Halos. But anyway, ang dami ko rin kasi nakain ng the night before, kumain kami ni Ruby ng Korean barbecue. And late na rin yun. 8:30 biglaan ko siyang sinundo. Sabi ko, mag-Korean barbecue kami. So, ayun. Napadami siguro yung kain ko. Ewan ko ba? So, ayun. Try ko na mag-almusal. Hindi lang kape kasi sa kape nga din. Acidic nga din. Anyway, sobrang lamig kagabi. Ang lamig. And then, kaninang umaga, ang lamig din. Tapos, nagpuyat pa kami. Alas 12 na kami natulog kagabi. Kasi Riker at 11 o'clock. And kami nila Harley. Alas 12 kasi hinihintay pa namin siya. Baka magsuka pa siya ulit. Kasi 2 beses na siya nagsuka. So, there's no school day today, Baba. Today is Sunday. But yeah, parang alas 8. Alas 8 siya nag-first and then second mga around alas 10. So yun, hinintay nga talaga namin kung mag-ano pa siya ulit. Pero yun, nakita ko pagod na rin siya. So, nakatulog naman na siya and luckily, hindi naman na siya nagsuka. So baka may nakain lang talaga nga siya kagabi. Kahapon, I mean. O, yun. So today, si Ben, umalis lang saglit kasi may emergency sa store. Pero day off siya today. So we might go window shopping ng beds ng mga bata. Kasi yun sa guest room namin is queen size bed. Pero yun sa kids room, which is room nilang 2 naman yun. Single bed lang yun doon, which is yung bed ni Harley. Yung princess bed niya. So, baka ibenta ko na lang yun. Kasi gusto nila magkatabi sila eh. And kailangan namin ng big bed for them. To sleep together. So, may nakita ko sa TikTok na bunk bed siya. Pero alam ko, hindi safe yung bunk beds, diba? Pero, siya, safe yung stairs niya kasi yung chunky. And then, yung taas niya is safer din. Tapos, may mga lalagyan ng books. Feeling ko, alam niyo naman kasi mga bata, diba? Like, gustong-gusto yung bunk bed and yeah, mas naiinganyo silang matulog. So, ewan ko ba, minessage ko yung vlogger na yun, yung tiktokeris na yun sa TikTok, kung saan niya, kasi ang dami rin nagko-comment kung saan niya nga nabili yung yung bed niya, pero Hindi pa siya nag-reply. So, maybe, baka pina-customize nila yun. Kasi hanap ako ng hanap. Taga-Australia din kasi siya. So, she's Australian. But, yeah, ayan, ang kanyang bed. Ano ko baka na. Basta ang cute. Baka ilagay ko na lang siya dito. Diba? Kasi okay naman yung mga bata sa stairs, guys. And feeling ko, dito nga sa bunk bed na itsura niya, hindi tatalon yan. Hindi naman tatalon ng ganyan kataas yung mga anak ko. So, yeah. Pero yan, hindi naman gagamitin until they're all, you know, bigger. Yung taas. So, sa baba naman sila. Yung sa lower bed naman sila matutulog. But anyway, magtingin-tingin lang kami. Or baka ano na lang. Yeah, yung normal queen size bed na lang. We'll see. Tingin-tingin pa lang naman. Kasi hindi naman talaga urgent. So, pero yeah, mas gusto kasi nila magkatabi sila. Guys, pinarebook pala namin yung aming ticket. Supposedly, uuwi kami ng school holiday, which is sa winter dito, July 6. So, yun yung nabook namin. Pero, mino-forward namin. So, mag-absent lang si Harley niya ng mga couple of weeks. But yeah, we're going home in the Philippines on June 13, guys. So, parang over 3 weeks na lang. We're going on a holiday! Oh, you wanna go on a bear hunt? There's no school today. But yeah, we're going home. And so, it's just gonna be over 3 weeks nga. So, ang lapit na nun. Kunting ano lang. Bilis-bilis na ng araw ngayon. So, yeah. We're gonna be in the Philippines for over 5 weeks. Or, yeah, kulang-kulang 6 weeks. Para mga ganun. So, matagal-tagal kami dyan. Matagal-tagal kami sa Pinas. And okay lang naman sa school ni Harley. Nagpaalam na ako. And then, hindi ko na rin muna siya i-book ng... Kasi normally kapag ganun kami kahaba sa Philippines, inaano ko siya, in-enroll ko rin siya sa therapy doon. Pero this time sabi ni Betty, ano muna siya, ipa-break ko muna siya sa kanyang therapist. Kasi nandun naman yung mga pinsan niya. Yung mga cousin niya na lang yung mga therapists niya doon, guys. So sabi La Nina nga daw, no? So, umuulan-ulan na yata rin sa amin ng kapag gabi. So, we'll see kung gano'n karaming bagyo ang papasok. But anyway. At least much warmer kaysa dito na winter. Guys, we're ready to go out. Kumain ng Oreo tong bata eh. Hanggang natin yung kanyang kamay. First ate, ayun, kumain ng saging. Let's go, guys. Si ating naka-Barbie. Hey, Barbie! We're up to Jepp's Cross. Kasi magtingin-tingin nga tayo ng bed. Bed ng mga bata. Hi, and you guys, we're here na sa A-Mart. Si Riker. What? Run! And let's go check out some bunk beds, guys. Ayan. Ang cute ng mga beds nila dito. Diba? But, yeah, we'll look for a bunk bed that it's safe. Stairs. Kasi ayoko yung mga ganito. Ayoko yung mga ganyan. Sabi ni Riker. Cars daw and fire truck daw. We'll look at bunk beds. Ah, ito. Cute. Ay, ito! Ito yun! Oh my God! That's the one! Oh my God, that's the one, babe. Diba, ang lakas ng boses ko. Ito yun. Ito yun. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Pero inalis lang nila to. Kasi nga, nilagay nila, parang finit nila dun sa kanilang, basta, sa wall nila. Baya, ito yun. Yan na yan nga yun, guys. Ewan ko, hindi ko pa makonvince si Ben. Yung itsura niya, hindi siya sure. Pero yeah, ang ganda, diba? Tapos may bed pa actually dun sa baba, na pull out. So, pwede nila ilagay yung mga toys nila dyan and books. Pero si ate, ang gusto niya ito. Gusto niya itong bulldozer. Tapos si Riker gusto niya yung mini ano na yan. Camper van. Wow! You guys, dito na kami sa Tory World. So, diba?
Heavy.
Oh, it's heavy. You have to put it back then because it's heavy. Ito ko na naman sa heavy eh. Why did Daddy went here, hey? Don't drop it, Bobby. What is that one?
Like the walking puppy, you walk it around the house.
Oh my
You can
god.
start caring for it.
Oh
It's
my
in the
god.
special section.
Huh?
Or what about one of these where she can care for it? We'll
Oh,
teach you how to
miss.
care. What you
You're
think?
gonna care for the puppy?
She's got stuff she can put on it.
Gentleman ni Riker, di ba? Si ate niya yun
My AP.
What?
My AP.
What's
I'm
that
gonna
one?
get you a calendar.
My AP.
That's not heavy, that's light. That one is the heavy one. Can you put it back, baby?
Oh no.
What, Daddy?
Yeah.
Drawing now.
Go.
Okay, let's go, Riker. You didn't put the toy back. Ko talaga. Yes, Riker.
Mommy, back and money babies.
That's a baby's. That's Bobby.
A puppy.
Go, keep walking.
Oh, you want a bike?
There is a bike. Let's go. Where's Daddy no and Ate? Oh, diba? We were here to look at beds.
Do you want to get
Guys.
that one? Add that to your collection.
Mommy.
Yes,
It's
Rika?
only $300.
Mommy.
Yes,
My
Rika.
airplane.
Yeah, you can see airplane.
Airplane.
Okay, you say bye. Bye, airplane.
My airplane.
Good boy. Which one?
Yeah.
Is this for Riker or for you?
Mommy.
Is this really for...
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Hello ka.
Mommy.
Look at these, Mummy.
Pero yeah, na-enjoy...
Mommy.
Yes, Rika. Pero na-excite ako dun sa bed na yun. So, dun niya pala binili. Huy! Don't do that, baby.
Look, I love the old vintage cars.
Ah, yeah. All the classic,
The old
Mommy.
pickups.
Oh my god, Riker. I thought it's gonna drop. Alright, ka. We're gonna look at beds for you, Meg. Si ate, happy lang siya sa kanyang cat. Is that a cat or a dog?
Dog.
It's a dog.
Mommy, mother was really swimming.
Swimming? Oh, is that for swimming?
Mommy died. Wow, what's that?
Is there men- What's that one? Huh? What's that one?
Wow, what's it anyway?
Dito na kami sa Fantastic Furniture. So, marami din silang beds dito. Kids bed, I mean. So, ito yung bed ni Harley nga. Oh, yung princess. So, yan yung bed ni Harley, guys. Ito. Yes, Rika. And then, ayoko na ganito nga kasi mas nakakatakot yan. So, mas gusto ko yung kanina. Good morning, guys. Oh my God. It's only 7. And happy Monday. May gawa na tayo ng almusal ni ate. Si Riker tulog pa. Almusal na si ate. Si Riker, guys, tulog pa. Tulog pa si Riker. Plain na. Umiyak kanina si Riker ng I love you. Kanina umiyak siya. Nagising kasi hiniyakap siguro siya ni Harley. Kasi gusto nga nito may kayakap sa kama. Eh, ayaw magpayakap siguro. Kaya nagising siya. What time do you think that one? When he cried? 5:30? 6 o'clock?
Yeah, 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock nagising siya. So, lumipat ako dun sa kwarto nila. Pumagitna na lang ako. And then, bumangon na kami ng 7.
Harley woke up at midnight.
Yeah, she woke up at midnight. Yeah, nagising to ng midnight. So, lumipat si Ben dun sa kwarto nila. Tumabi ng 1 hour. How long did you say? 1 hour? Ha? Hindi, natulog sila ulit. Natulog to ulit. Kabado si Daddy today.
1 hour. Timberwolves on today, game 7.
Why?
Got the morning off.
Yeah, he's got the morning off, guys. Kasi meron maglalaro ang kanyang team. Anyway, ito yung baon ni ate. So, the usual cucumber and tomato. And nilagyan ko na lang ng snack niya dyan na favorite niya na wafers. And nagawan ko siya ng ham and cheese quesadilla today. And yung kanyang recess is mixed grapes and strawberry and then mandarin. Thank you. Kape na tayo, guys. I'm going to school now, guys. Ready na si ate. Si Riker, iniwan ko na lang kay daddy niya.
I got me sick now.
I left Riker to daddy, yummy. Hey?
Rose?
So pretty. Frozen? Where's Frozen? Elsa? Here, Elsa. Let's go, guys. Pasok na kami. Mukha.
That's Holly.
That's Holly. Good job, Brielle. Okay, let's go na. Let's go na, Holly. Mga Australian accent talaga eh, Holly. Holly. Harley. Alam niya na yung routine niya eh. Good job. High five, Mama. Ayan. Well done, Holly. Rectangle. Nasira agad. Triangle next. Triangle. This one? Please. Well done. That's a triangle. You say, Miss West, I did a triangle. You say, teacher, I did triangle. Bahay na pala ako kanina pa. Makipagtsikahan lang ako sa mga mothers dun sa pagkatapos ko i-drop si Harley. So, nakapagtupi na nga ako eh. Pero hindi na ako nakapagluto. Pero gagawa ko na lang si Riker ng quesadilla niyan. Same kay Harley. And then, I ordered myself pancit gisa. So, si Daddy sobrang happy kasi nanalo ang kanyang team. Nanalo ang football. Sana sabihin. Nanalo ang kanyang NBI team sa Game 7. Lamig pala. Hindi ko kasi inon yung heater kasi makulimlim kanina. So, ngayon, lumabas na naman yung araw. So, nakapag-load na ako ng nakapag-housework na ako actually. Pero I'll turn on the heater later. Now the sun's out. Yeah. So, bahay lang kami ni Riker today. Gagawa sana ako ng sopas. Okay. Nagawa sana ako ng sopas kaso wala na pala akong chicken breast. Yun nakalimutan kong i-grocery kahapon. So, bukas ko na lang yung lutuin. Nag-order ako ng pancit. Are you happy? Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Oh no, ate. Oh no, what's wrong with ate? Ate's breakfast is here. Today is Wednesday and it's freezing cold, guys. Isn't it? It's so cold, but Riker has school today. Hey?
No, going today.
There is school today. Oh, guys, Rio is here. You say, guys, we have Rio here. Guys, nandito si Rio. Ayan o. Kasi si Mother alis siya bukas. So we have Rio till next week. Hey? Because Grandma's away. We have Rio. You love having Rio. Do you want to have Rio back? Rika? Gawa na tayo ng lunch ni ate. Ang lunch ni ate is always the usual. Kung ano, basta kung ano yung season na fruits. So, ngayon kasi, nagmahal na yung blueberries. Strawberries, still right. So, yeah, may berries pa rin. And then, mas in season ngayon is yung mandarins. So, and they love mandarin. Orange kasi yung tawag nito. Yeah. And then, for the sandwich, so yung quesadilla, hindi niya masyado naubos yun. So, Ewan ko, bakit hindi siya nabubusog kasi anipis. Basta yung bread, yung croissant gusto niya. Kaya yung palagi yung pinapabaon ko. Or minsan kapag marami kaming time. Hala, nakalimutan. I forgot my watch baby upstairs. Kapag marami kaming time, ginagawan ko siya ng nuggets and sweet potato chips. Pero mas gusto niya talaga lunch is ham and cheese croissant. Riker. Oh, that's your water bottle for today, okay? The new one. Okay? Whenever I pick him up, I ask him where's his water bottle.
You got a panini press.
Yeah, and his friends. Oh yeah, I forgot. Why did I turn on the oven? I know your friends know your water bottle too. Huh? His classmates know his water bottle as well. Ang cute nila, mga 2 years old. Yeah, I got it from Kmart. So, bumili pala ako ng sandwich press today. Ay, kahapon. Ayan na si ate guys. Doble-doble ang jacket and vest. Ang lamig this morning eh. No? Si Riker, naka-pajama yan kasi pajama day nila. Here guys. Ang lamig-lamig na dito. Ang lamig. Oh my God. Lucky the sun's out now. Pero kaninang umaga, grabe, sobrang lamig. Parang 3 degrees. So, na-drop ko na yung mga bata. And, I'm off to see yung mga kamami ko sa school ni Harley. Yung mga mami ng kaklase ni Harley, dalawa. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna go for a walk. Of course, hindi ko kinalimutan kasi hindi ako nagkape sa bahay kasi alam ko idadrop ko si Riker. So I get free coffee there sa childcare niya. Ayan. Go walking kami guys. You guys, bahay na kami kanina pa nga. Kasi nga, after ko nag-walking, pumunta dito yung kaibigan ko. And may natira kasi akong sopas kagabi. So yun yung lunch namin. And then after that, we picked up the kids. Kasi magkaklase nga yung anak namin. So, and then si Ben, pick up niya lang kay Riker. They just got home. And hindi na ako nakaluto kanina. So, hindi na ako naka-defrost. So, we're going out for dinner. Palitan ko lang ng damit. Si Riker, si Harley, napalitan ko na yan. So, labas tayo for dinner, guys. Ang lamig-lamig. Ben guys, tuna yung kanya.
Healthy, right?
And then akin is sipon marinara. Sarap. Kain. Good morning guys. It's so cold. Okay, pipili na siya ng breakfast.
No, birthday.
Yeah, you don't have school because it's Thursday. Today is Thursday.
No, birthday.
Oh no, you woke up before ate. We gotta wake up ate soon.
Birthday.
Which one? Wheat Bix or Cocoa Crunch? What do you wanna have?
No.
Napapili ko siya. You want Wheat Bix?
Baby.
Okay, Wheat Bix.
Order. Order?
You don't have to hold it. I'll open it now. Oh! What do you call that? We gotta wake up ate soon and say, Ate, breakfast! You have school today. Ate have school today.
No, go today.
Well, Riker, but Ate, she have school today. Okay. You wanna go to the playground?
Yeah, good one. Big bicycle, good one.
But I thought you're gonna watch basketball with Daddy this morning. Daddy's gonna watch basketball.
No, go today.
Daddy's gonna watch basketball this morning. Are you gonna watch it with him?
No, we're gonna play the defense.
What? What's his team?
What defense?
Defense, yeah. What's his team?
No.
What's the name of his team? Timberwolves. Can you say Timberwolves?
We are.
Say good morning, Ria. Have you had your breakfast, Ria? You ask Rio. Rika? Here you go, Rika. What you gonna say? Guys, he flew next to me kasi inopen ni Ben yung cage niya. What a very, very silly bird. You're a pretty bird. I'm not a silly bird, Mama. I'm a pretty bird. Yeah. Rocky got scared of you. You're scared of each other, no? Are you scared of each other? You and Rio? Silly bird, the Riker saying. You say Grandma's on a holiday, guys. That's why I'm back here. Ang lakas ng ilak ni Riker, guys. Tapos. Ria, don't scare Riker. Ay, naku, Rio. You scared your brother. Na-drop ko na si Harley sa school, guys. And yung mag-ama ko na sa taas. Yung aking boys, sir. Anyway, today is Thursday. So, we're gonna start packing. Oh, tinan mo. Kala ko may watch ako today. Kala ko suot ko yung watch ko. Anyway, 23rd of May. So, 3 weeks na lang. Babiyahin na naman ulit kami with the kids. So, and this time we're gonna be more than a month. Or, yeah. So, we're gonna travel with 4 luggages again. So, summer clothes naman. So, might as well ipack ko na para at least organize tayo. So, ipack ko na yun sa kids today. And then I'll see if I can do ours. Then, yeah. So, pag kaming 4 yung nagta-travel, of course, tig-isa kaming luggage, guys. Pero, yeah, depende pa rin kasi yun sa mga bata ko, summer clothes naman, so it's light. But, at the moment, yung mga, like yung nappies ni Riker. Ayan, of course, si ate, hindi mawawala ang kanyang mga dress. Like, dress everyday yan si Harley or skirt. Tutu skirt or dress. Marami tayong nadalhin yan. Naman itong batang to. Halos, ganito yung gustong suot. Ito yung binigay ni tita, kapatid ni Ben. Ang ganda. And sobrang mahal nito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko sa kanya kapag naliitan na ni Harley. Baka itry kong ibenta. Like, Diyos ko, wala akong ganitong kamahal na damit. Pero si Harley meron. Di ba? Ang ganda eh. Tingnan mo yung niya, details niya. And then, sobrang puti niya rin. Parang maliit na nga sa kanya eh. Pero nakalagay dito is 6 to 7. Sana talaga may mahal na damit. Kailangan dalhin kasi alam mo naman si ate girl. Mahilig mag-skirt. Dalang ko siya ng isang jeans. Gusto ko tong jeans na to from Target. Yata to, yeah. From Target. Flare jeans siya. Ang cute lang sa kanya. Ganun. Dalang ko po ba siya? Huwag na kasi nga. Hindi naman yan. So, hindi na ako bumibili ng mga jeans. Kasi nga, or leggings. Normally, mga ngayon, weather tights na lang yung mga binibili ko. Kasi, wala rin. Hindi rin niya susuotin nga. Kasi nga, gusto niya yung mga pag-girly. Ayan si Riker, guys. Bumaba na siya. Ito na yung ating naipack. Ito yung kay Riker. And then kay Harley, of course, pakadaming tutu. Tutu skirt and tutu dress.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind.
Guys, lunch na kami. Our lunch is pancake. Pancake kami for today. Kain. Si Daddy nasa taas pa. Nanonood ng NBA. Kain na kami ni Riker. You guys, I'm still packing. And dumating ang aking in-order para kay Harley. And nag-order din ako actually for Riker. But, magkaibang store. Ayan. Sa magkaibang store ko na-order. Kasi nga, walang pang babae. I mean, panlalaki dun sa ano. Bunnings. Sa Bunnings ko ito in-order, guys. Ito yung kanilang travel luggage na scooter. Kasi mahilig nga sila mag-scooter. Kasi nga, sa travel namin ngayon, hindi ko na hina-hand carry yung dinadala yung pram nila. Kasi malaki naman na si Riker. And so yung ginagawa ko sa pram is chine-check-in ko na lang para wala na rin kami masyadong bitbitin. Ayan, ito yung kay ate. Ay, good size siya actually. Oh my god. Si Riker, magta-try nito. Riker, look! It's a scooter bag! Another scooter? Oh my god! But this one's for ate actually. Oh my god! Another scooter! Wait. I gotta unbox it first. Can we show the guys? Here guys, we have a scooter. Hala, ang cute! Oh my god, nice scooter. Isa lang sana i-orderin ko kasi naisip ko baka mag-away sila ba. So, we're gonna figure it out. So, ganito yung itsura ng bag. It's a good size bag. Wait na lang. I'm showing it to them.
Mommy, mabubu.
That's not a boo-boo. That's the smiley face. Ay, cute!
Look, what did you do?
Oh my god, it's a really cute bag.
Mommy?
Oh, ate can put all her coloring books here. And snacks. And the iPad. Ayan, it's actually a good size luggage, mini luggage.
Mommy,
Oh, sorry. So, may zip pa siya dito, oh. And then, may zip din dito. Ay, ang cute. Okay, let's try the scooter. Ayun. At least safe siya. Oh! Wow, cute! Honey Joy yung pangalan mo. Oh, wait. I'll set it up on your height. Ay, ayun lang yung height mo, Riker. Medyo mataas pala kay Riker yung handle. Pero okay na sa kanya. Cute. Is it a bit high? Oh, Riker. Is it alright? Maybe go this way. Let me see. Show them. Sige nga. Okay. That's okay. Okay, go.
Party in the backyard, the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you.
Magaan lang kasi ngayon kasi walang laman yung bag. Oh. Let's see if it's gonna work for you, Riker. Is it alright? Yung problema lang sa kanya is mabigat yan kapag nalagyan na ng laman yung bag. Oh, you're not looking. Oopsie. Nakauwi na si ate, guys. Pinatry ko kay ate niya. Ayaw niya ipahiram. What? Ate, try it. Can ate try it? I'll go, ate, let me see. Ayaw ka ipahiram ni Riker. Oh, tinan mo, tinulak. Jesus! You guys, nandito na rin pala yung scooter bag ni Riker. Yung kahapon kasi yun kay Harley yung dumating. And ito, in-order ko to sa eBay. Yung kay Harley na-order ko yun sa Bunny. So, pero hindi ko alam kung parehong brand ba. Pero, ito kasi maganda na nakita ko for Riker. Parang robot yata yung style nito. Tignan natin kung same yung quality. Ayan yung kanya, guys. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. Honey Joy. Oh yeah, it looks exactly the same kasi yun nandito sa ano niya. Patungan ng paa, Honey Joy din yung nakalagay. So, parang parehong brand. Yeah. Yeah. Kain na kami, guys. Lunch time na pala dito. Nag-order ako ng caldereta sa malapit na ano dito, Filipino restaurant. So, first time ko mag-order sa kanila. So, i-try ko. Ayan, tagal ko na rin din nakaluto ng caldereta. So, try natin. Si ate, nasa school na pala. So, bilisan ng oras naman. Magsusundo na ulit kami ni Riker. Ano natin? Malambot yung dip.
Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the